Hello everyone, happy Women's Day. So on the occasion of the Women's, we all should invest in your health, okay? Because the health helps to accelerate the progress. So I've been using Neutron Woman supplement since from last 3 months, and it had really helped me. You know, everyone says to unlock the woman's health with the vitality and the well-being. So I strongly recommend to everyone to please take Neutron Woman, which is by Pentasure. It helps for your strength. I am into the from in such a profession where I do not get time to have my breakfast or my lunch. I skip my lunch, and I was searching for the nutrition supplement which will it is very easy for me to carry, and it has a good features and it is been scientifically oriented. Okay, so I was just searching on the website. I got the very good information from my Amazon as well as the Flipkart where the supplement has been there. So this Neutron Woman, it contains a 3 protein blend. It contains a whey protein, soya protein as well as an SMP, and it also contains the phytoceutical nutrients which is known as an ashwagandha as well as shatavari. Okay, and it contains the vitamin as well as zinc, selenium, and the calcium supplement. Calcium ingredient is also been enriched over here. So Neutron Woman, it has been very strongly, it says, empower yourselves to the crowning glory. The enrichment of the Shatavari, it helps me for my menstrual cycle, because the ingredient which has been present, it really helps to control your cramps during the menstruation, and the hormonal imbalances can also be controlled by the Shatavari. Okay, and the ashwagandha, because we all are in such a hectic life, we don't get enough amount of the sleep. So it has the Shatavari also helps to improve your sleep, okay, quality of the sleep, and the vitamin and the calcium, it helps for the bone development. Now it comes with a chocolate flavor. Okay, it's really very good flavor. You can add in any of the it can goes with milk, it can go with water. I have also tried with some of the recipes also. Okay, and it really gives a very good taste. And the most important is the price. If you can see the price, it is only 749 rupees, and I have got this very good hamper pack with a shaker at just 499. That is it, almost 33% of the discount. Okay, so really I would like to recommend. And the most convenient, like I told you in my video reel, it comes in a more convenient sachet form. It makes me very easy. I don't have to carry such a big box. I just have to take the sachet, put in my purse the day of the number of the sachets required, and carry with me. So I strongly recommend this Neutron Woman supplement by Pentasure for the energy, for the strength, as well as for your immune system. So thank you so much, and hashtag to Neutron Woman by Pentasure. Thank you so much.